Hey, what's up, Edgar? My name is Devin, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Answer is super simple. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And so I found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free, it's resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hand saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, you see I got a lot of tools and strategies I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. Now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. The first thing I want to cover is content, and I really like the way that your website looks. I like that you have this video starting up. There's something wrong with it for some reason. It's not scrolling, and it's not my mouse. My mouse scrolls, but your website doesn't. I go to different pages, and it looks like I can't scroll anywhere. Don't know what's going on with that, but that's really not the most important. Google doesn't even rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they care mostly about is how useful you are. And so to have an optimized website, you need to have at least 1,500 words on the front page. And if I go and do a search all, it says you have 534 words. You need to have about 1,500 to be considered an authority. And if you look at your main competitors for Los Angeles, it's sewerpros.com. Well, I'll skip this because this is considered duplicate content since it's already on Google Ads. But if you search everything else, come on now. Let's see how many words they have on their page. They probably shouldn't be that hard to beat. So they only have 395. So you're already beating them in content, but both of you guys are still not considered authorities. I'll show you why they're beating you in a second. But first step is definitely to get yourself to 1,500 words. By getting to 1,500 words too, it also allows you to fit more keywords into your text. Keywords are just phrases people search into Google to find your business. So you want to put them in there, and you want to look for buyer intent keywords. So if I look at what you're ranking for right now, Plumber Sylmar, you're at the end of the first page. Plumber Woodland Hills, second page. Woodland Hills Plumber, second page. Plumber Calabasas, second page. So these are the kind of keywords you do want to have in there. And actually, you specifically, you want to focus on sewers and drains. So if I go over to sewer, let's see. Sewer repair Los Angeles. 40 people search for that a month. You obviously want to grab that, or sewer replacement Los Angeles. You're on the 10th page for those. So you definitely want to have those on your text. And if I look, sewer replacement, I can't even see. You have sewer replacement, but you don't have sewer replacement Los Angeles on here. So that'd be tip number 1. You can also save your images as that. So this could be saved as like sewer repair Los Angeles or sewer replacement Los Angeles. It'll help you rank for that. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you, and this allows them to like power you up and give you what we call link juice. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a lot of different websites vouching for you, but keep in mind they want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more link juice or a lot more power if you have another plumbing company linking to you than you would if like Pizza Hut was linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. It does cost about $1,000 a month. You don't have to use it. There's a bunch of free tools out there. I just use this one because it gives you a lot of really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. But it says you currently have 7 websites linking to you, which is definitely a great start. But the reason why you're not outranking Sewer Pros is because these guys have 66 websites linking to them. Now this is great news. They're not that far away from you. You only have to get maybe 75 to like 90 to blow them out of the water. And that's what I would do, and I would go copy them. So all these different websites they have linking to them, I would go visit these sites and click the create an account button or the contact us button and start building these websites back to you. Okay, if the links will rank for them, they'll rank for you too. And here's the big win. By beating them with content and beating them with backlinks, you end up taking their organic ranking, which means you take their organic traffic. Keep in mind, these people specialize in sewer only. People don't look up sewer for fun, and they have 3.3 thousand people a month hitting their website every single month. That's a lot of free business that you could be taking. The last thing is when somebody does type in sewer repair Los Angeles and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first plumber that shows up. You want to obviously be that plumber. Those are the easiest customers to close. We know that people skip these ads all the time, so you want to show up right here in the local map pack ranking. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors, and citations are anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information. So you're probably thinking of like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. My favorite strategy here is to figure out what directories the top guy is listed in, list myself on the same ones, and add a bunch more on top. So if LA Sewer Repair was in 150 directories, I'd be listing myself in like 250, if not 300. And that's all I've got for you, Edgar. I hope you found this really informative. I tried to keep it short and sweet and helpful for you. As a really quick recap, I covered content. You need at least 1,500 words on this homepage. Link Juice, you're at 7 websites linking to you. You need more relevant sites linking to you than Sewer Pros. And then citations, you're going to want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And Edgar, if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. I just ask you to send me back a little bit of feedback so I can make these free videos better in the future. If you just want to save yourself the time, or if you have any questions, you can always give me a call at 805-618-6426. Once again, my name is Devin Norton, and my number is 805-618-6426. I look forward to hearing from you, Edgar. Have a great one. Bye.